Super Bowl's ready. Hello, we are back at Food Pairing Challenge, and we are here also with Box from Larry's Produce and see what we got. You know what that is? That is, cameraman, you know what this is?
Dill.
Dill. Smell it, it's amazing. And cucumber. And I was promised this special little cute little pepper. This is the mini peppers. So I think we're gonna work with this. And this weekend is a Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm gonna show you how to make super simple finger food, healthy, delicious, and go perfectly with wine. Here we're gonna be able to make cucumber dill tzatziki or yogurt dip. And here is our little mini pepper. We are going to make a mini taco stuffed peppers. We are cutting the mini pepper up about the 2/3 the way up, actually make it a container for our taco beef, and we will chop up the top part into small dice that we're going to be mixing into the beef. Vegetable oil, garlic, onion, grab it in, then the pepper. We're going to start seasoning now with taco seasoning. You can actually use a store-bought like already mixed taco seasoning, but if you don't have them, or if you want to get crafty, you can actually use chili powder. You can use different types of chili. So this one is New Mexico chili with tortilla chili, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, a little bit of cumin is just bring out really nice flavor, oregano, and salt and pepper. I know this is not necessarily a popular opinion, but I'm gonna add a little bit of our secret ingredient, sugar. Can even be more spicy, but some people don't like spicy. Let's make cucumber and dill dip. 1 cup of yogurt. Drop in 1 minced clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced dill, 1 tablespoon or about a wedge of lemon juice, and a cucumber. A big pinch of salt. Mix. That's it. Gently stuff these. We are going to pop this in the 350 oven for 15 minutes. We're finishing off with the yogurt dip. This is basically your sour cream, but a more fun version. Super Bowl's ready. Now, what wine do we pair with this? I gotta say, honestly, for an event like Super Bowl where you're gonna have like vegetable, where you can have tacos, you can have different things, what you're gonna want is different kind of wine. So what we actually recommend is a spread. So this is a set of 3 wines that is the co-op favorite bestseller, 1 from each winery. So we have Albariño, which is a really great white wine that's gonna be high acid and really crisp, really beautiful. Gonna cut through this dish really well, just kind of like you squeeze a little lemon on it, or because it has meat component and grilled meat in particular, so these 2 red wines gonna go real well. So we have Malbec for a little more blueberry flavor, or if you like something more sophisticated, more like sherry flavor, we have a really well-aged Sunset Cellars Barbera. Pick which one you like or open all of them. It's gonna be a crowd pleaser. And have a good Super Bowl, guys. Eat well, drink well. See you next time. Cheers. Teaspoon of sugar makes the taco go down. Taco go down. Taco go down.